Hi guys, this is a DIY video. I don't know what it is about summer, but it makes me want to get my craft on. I want this video to inspire you to get your craft on. Everything is from the Dollar Tree or nature. I am using a clear glass bowl, sand, blue rocks, regular rocks, a clear dinner plate, a candlestick holder, which this one is actually a new product at my Dollar Tree, a clear salad plate, and fix-all adhesive. I'm going to make a beach scene in the bowl. I put the dinner plate on top of the bowl. I am going to glue the candle holder to the dinner plate. I will glue the salad plate on top of the candle holder. So now that I got my craft on, I hope that you have a chance to get your craft on too. I want to thank you all for watching and subscribing to my channel. It means the world to me. Reading your comments every day, and yes, I do read all your guys' comments. It means a lot to me to hear from you guys. Catch you in my next video. Bye!